Me, I eat, sleep, shit, and talk there. Think I'm about to ride through that snow to park that. Man, that shit then rolls up so fucking high. Over there, man, that shit like 4 feet. It's about 3, I'm exaggerating, but that's not for real. You can't really see it right here, but that shit passed the light on the back of that truck. That shit high. It's not that high over there, cause some dumbass people keep riding through that shit. But bitch, when I wake up in the morning and see you flipped over down that hill, I'm gonna ride past your dumb ass and see you should've went to sleep. Look at that buddy over there. Look at him. Park that bitch. Park that bitch. And there's more niggas in this line, but hey, I'm not from that 9, and I do mind dying. Words of the wife, I approve this message.